Thank you for watching episodes of Stone's Reviews. I'm Mr. Sophia, decide what to love making next. Today, we've got this fun little Golden Girls kit. It just calls them girls there, but they are supposed to be the Golden Girls. And it should be a very fun assembly. We got the 4 girls there. Yeah, so I'm saying Dorothy, Blanche, Rose, and Sophia. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Write in the comments if you think we got the backwards.
Yep. Okay. Alright, let's get her opened up here. Let's do some serious editing on this video. Alright, here we go. Lots of bricks in there. Oh, there's our book. Oh, another avalanche out there. Oh, okay. The box is much more interesting than that. I always put these huge labels, warning labels on the back there. You can never see the rest of the back anyway. Alright, so here's our instruction book. Let's see how it's got the bricks in front, so you know how many bricks of what. And bag 1 is Sophia, looks like. Bag 2 is Rose. Bag 3 is Dorothy, and bag 4 is Blanche. Blanche, I believe. So, yes, in the comments, definitely comment if I got those backwards, if you like. It's been a really long time since I've watched an episode, but I thought they'd be interesting bricks to do. And, yeah, let's take a look at these bricks. So they're definitely Lego size. Should be Lego compatible, though they are not Lego. Yeah, so they are labeled nicely. 1, 2. So yeah, should be quick, easy, simply. I'll put them together on camera, and then we'll give them a full review after we're done there. Okay, here's Sophia. She went together pretty well. The bricks feel a little cheaper than a Lego brick does, but they went together fine. I didn't have any real issues there. I think she looks a lot like Sophia. She's pretty cute. Okay, on to Rose, I believe. I may be wrong about that, but we'll see. Okay, and here's what I think is Rose. So it looks like to me, though, maybe it's Blanche, but I don't think so. I think it's Rose. You can definitely let us know in the comments as to which one you think this one is. Assembly went pretty great. It's very much like the Sophia, which I'm going to expect they're going to be pretty similar. There's not much reason to change the build too much, but the hairstyle looks pretty cool. It's got this little curly cute thing up front here, which I think was kind of fun. I think these are some custom pieces right there. Alright, well, on to the next one. Okay, well, we got our girls, Golden Girls assembled. We got Sophia, and I am calling this one Rose, and we got Dorothy, and we got Blanche. I'm calling this one Blanche. I'm not sure, honestly, about these two, which is which, and you can tell me in the comments what you think, but I don't know. That's what we got anyway. The assembly went very well for all 4 builds. They were pretty cookie cutter. I don't think there's a whole lot of real new stuff between those, other than these guys had a little bit of interesting detail on how they did the curls and the hair. This one was, each one was a little bit different. They used that. Sophia just has bangs, but everybody else had a little bit of something. Dorothy's got some in the front there, and like I said, Rose has got her own as well, just a couple in the front. Alright, yeah, as far, it was very, they went together really well. They stayed together very well. Nothing exploded. They don't feel a lot like Legos. Honestly, they feel cheaper. But it went together about as well as the Lego would, I would say. And like I said, everything seems to be hanging together pretty well. There were a couple times where it was a little tough to put things together, where essentially things I'm sure just weren't fitting up quite right. If it's not a Lego, you know it's going to be a little bit off, because real Legos just aren't, and fake Legos oftentimes are. And so things just are off just a little bit, so they don't want to fit quite as well. And that was true of these kits. So I don't want to oversell them, but that was a fun kit. If you like the Golden Girls and you want to have little Golden Girls brick heads, I think this might be the kit for you. Or it might be a good present for somebody, you know, if they, again, enjoy the Golden Girls. Alright, well, thanks very much for watching Sloan's Reviews and our build of the Golden Girls here. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. That for $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our reviews. That $3 can help you decide what to love making next. Thanks again for watching.